Duke boys, Morton. Well, a little bit of a drive around where I live. And we're following Maxwell in his Dukes of Hazzard car. Walk around. See what we've got to look at today. Sunshine. Sunshine and more sunshine. And a bloody Dodge. Mind putting my foot down, but there's too many slow or four-wheel drives. So we'll just have a little bit of a wander.